bit of a different vlog. Now, we're still in Chinchilla, however, I am actually leaving today. A bit more of that in a minute. I haven't had enough to do a full vlog. What I'm going to do is chuck in a load of memories that we've done on our days off here in Chinchilla on the solar farm. I got to borrow my friend's Sony A7C, so these are all clips from that camera. It's something I've wanted to use for a long time. So check out the quality, see how it is, see how my first use of the actual camera goes. As for now, I'm currently leaving Chinchilla. I'm going to Melbourne. It's on to our next step of our journey here in Australia, but I'll get onto that in the next video.
Driving a big boy car, beastie big boy car.
Yeah?
Beastie big boy car.
Oh.
I keep going like that.
It's a bloody automatic.
I don't like automatics. I don't.
Too much power for you.
Regret.